Namaskar. This is Amar Kumar from Reiki Kendra. Thank you very much for listening to me on this video. Today I would like to talk to you about online Reiki training becoming so prevalent in the society with the support of media. Reiki is a very pure form of spiritual healing. Guruji Dr. Mikao Usui, it is said he was a Christian. From the Bible he felt he got the inspiration that Jesus Christ used to do touch healing, and subsequently he did a lot of research, went around decades, look out for this. He wanted to develop this capability and give it to people. And then he looked at Buddhism. There also he found that Gautam Buddha used to have this kind of a facility, empowerment to heal people by touching. So all this happened. There's a lot of story about it. Guruji Dr. Mikao Usui left this world 98 years back. In the end of his pursuit for Reiki, what he called Reiki, life energy, he went on top of a hill. 21 days he had fasting without water, and ultimately the God blessed him with this divine power to heal, and he gave it to the society. So Reiki by itself is a very pure form of healing. What is Reiki? Life energy, which is there within you, within me. God's energy which gives and sustains life. If it goes down for some reason, it's all detailed subject, but that's how we become, we attract diseases. We become diseased. It can be mental, it can be physical. And what we do in the Reiki class, in the pure form of Reiki, authentic Reiki class, it takes 2 days. The master, he is empowered to give attunements, ATTUNEMENTS. So in the class in 2 days, attunements are given, and that is empowerment. It is done typically in Guru Shishya Parampara. He places his hand on top of the head of the participant and recites some spiritually. That process is difficult to explain here. And since the master is empowered, he can transfer this capability into the participant. It cannot be done from a distance. So what happens then? In the first degree, even a child feels the presence of energy. In fact, he is told, when you go to school and in your classmate somebody gets hurt and there is bleeding, put your hand, bleeding will stop. All this is very common experiences. So what happens in Reiki class? You get empowerment to bring energy, a lot more energy than normally you have. And your hands becomes supply pumps. Touch yourself, extra energy starts entering you. That's self-treatment. Touch somebody else, you are treating that person. It's harmless because it's a life energy. There is no skill because you just got to place the hand, and there is no condition. It's totally unconditional, so easiest to practice. But it requires 2 days to learn Reiki. And once you learn original Reiki, it remains lifetime. 10 years you don't practice, the day you need, pray, it will be there in your hands. It's amazing. Now, in online treatment, etc., this is not possible. You see, media can be used or misused. Media is very powerful. People get attracted. A lot of shortcut methods came up. It takes time to be a Reiki master in original form. Many years people work. In Reiki, original Reiki, second degree is ultimate. In first degree, you get energy to do self and others healing. In second degree, you come after at least a gap of 21 days of self-healing after first degree. What happens? You build up your energy level, you build up your capability to receive higher energy, which is in second degree. And in second degree 2-day class again, attunement is done. And here the energy level goes up 4 times more. And also you get a capability that you close your eyes, whatever you think, you can set this energy from a distance. You can think of somebody, you are start treating him from a distance. This is distance healing, distance Reiki. Anyone can do. In second degree class, everybody does it. They experiment in the class itself. Then you close your eyes and you want to heal a situation, you can do it. Somebody is going for an interview, you want him to do well, he performs better, you can close your eyes and use second degree technique, use second degree power, it starts working. So this is all distance Reiki. Then beyond the second degree in original Reiki, as I told you, third degree is not required. Third degree is like doing PhD. We are all educated people, we don't do PhD. It's not required. It's only for teaching or research. Similarly, in Reiki, third degree is for teaching. And for third degree, you see, one spends many years after selection. They get attached to the, like people come to me, I select. Then the people who are selected, they work with me for many years. Practical Reiki, practical training, treatment, and a lot of sadhanas, they develop themselves for this mastership. And then Reiki mastership is given. It's not given against fees. Just by paying money, no one can become a Reiki master. And it's not even necessary. For healing, second degree is adequate because you get all powers. But you hear that online people become first degree, second degree. All this happens in hours. And one becomes master, grandmaster sitting at home. It's all not possible. But why people get attracted? One is media. And second is a bit of misunderstanding, misconceptions which develop. I will give you an instance. See, our body, physical body we know, outside this there is an energy body we all have. It's called aura. Our granthas, our old ancient granthas, they have mentioned all about auras, chakras, it's there. Now this aura is not something imaginative of late. You know, there is a scientific development. Dr. Kirlian photography technique you can check on the internet. A camera has been developed by this scientist and through which you can see the aura. You can take a photograph. Aura photography is becoming, it's being experimented now. So we have aura. Our hands also have aura. Means what? Energy body, energy field. You can test it. Follow this exercise. After you finish this video, take a few long deep breaths, few times. Then rub your palms. Separate them. Bring them closer, slowly. You start feeling pressure between your two palms. You are new to it. Again, take it up. Like this away. Again, bring it back. You start feeling more energy. A kind of a balloon between your two palms. That's your energy ball. At certain point, you feel maximum pressure. It's all aura. So, we have energy and we all understand. You don't know Reiki, still you can feel it. But this is not what is given you into the Reiki classes. In Reiki class, after attunement, you can bring lot more energy. So, this energy which you get in Reiki classes, a child also understands. 5.5 years old, small baby, child, even he understands. Lot of energy comes, very different. And there are some people who say that after online treatment they got some benefit, 5-10% of benefit. That also, if you look at in depth, let me explain to you. You see, go to a doctor. with any kind of problem, say heart problem, diabetes, insomnia, depression, I mean mental, physical, there are so many, list is huge, lifestyle diseases. He tells one common thing, that is reduce your tension, stress level. Why? Because it is his teach, he learns that way. The research says that all these diseases are because of stress. In fact, as per medical science, 90-95% diseases are psychosomatic. Psycho means mind, somatic means body. So, whatever is happening here is taking shape as symptoms on your body. This is how it is. Great. I mean, in-depth research has been done on this. I'm not elaborating. You can check out. So, back to, after learning Reiki online, one is excited. Mental conditioning is done. You do this, you do that, you'll be all right. So that you place your hand, and you understand that by placing hand like this, this disease will go or that will go. So once you start doing it, and you get 5-10% result, you are excited. But that's nothing. That's peanut. Very different from actually Reiki. That you can do without even learning Reiki. Just now I told you how it is, your energy level. Learn Reiki, it's very different. And these 2 days you spend time will never go as a waste. But learn it right. Learn authentic Reiki, original Reiki. Spend 2 days with your Reiki master. And you can learn it anywhere. There are good Reiki masters. Look for one in your town. And how to judge? Well, a small support I have on our website. I have given, you can go to the training where mastership training is given. You can see how to choose a Reiki master. Go through it. It may help you, and learn it right. Spend 2 days. Even for 10 years if you don't practice, the right type of Reiki will remain with you lifelong. The day you need, the moment you pray, it will be there on your palms. You will feel the energy. And it's not something imaginary. As I told you, a child also feels. So do it. And at Reiki Kendra, which is in Kolkata, you are always welcome. Namaskar.